Hey everybody, and welcome to another Craft for the Curve video. If you missed yesterday's, please go check that one out. Me and a bunch of crafty themed content creators from YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and bloggers are all teaming up for a crafty challenge. From March 25th through April 8th, we are going to post a new fun craft every day. There's going to be lots to choose from, so you will find something that definitely tickles your fancy. Our goal is to flatten the curve and help keep the coronavirus out of the public. Be sure to check out the other creators that are participating down in the description box below. There's also going to be a giveaway with a bunch of the brands in the descriptions below as well. So if you make a craft project, be sure to hashtag craft for the curve. That way you will be entered. At the end of the 15 days, a winner will be chosen and win a really cool prize pack from all the brands below. Today I'm going to show you how to use alcohol inks to make these really awesome sun catchers. It's so easy and so fun, and it's a really inexpensive, easy to do project. If you're a crafter, you probably have most of this stuff on hand anyways. So let's get started. This is such a fun project to do, and you probably have some random sun catchers sitting around at home. If not, you can totally find these on Amazon and things like that, but they are awesome, and it's really fun to do with the alcohol inks. Now, you'll know I have gloves on. If you do not have gloves at home, you can use plastic trash bags, you can use Ziploc bags, pretty much anything to protect your hands because you don't want to get the alcohol ink on your hands. But we are going to make some really fun alcohol ink sun catchers. I have all these great colors, and I'm like staring at them going, what can we do with them? I figured it out. So what we are going to do is we'll start with the little rainbow guy here because he looks fun. And I'll tell you what colors I'm using as I go. So this is aqua, and I'm going to do the cloud in aqua because I think that sounds really fun. So all you have to do, and I'm sorry that my dog is now barking, all you have to do is just drop some of your alcohol ink into the little basin or your little, I don't know what to call this, I guess like a little trough. And that's all you have to do. Super easy. And you can kind of move it around with the tip. You can add more if you would like. You could add another color if you want to make your color different. This one I'm using is Stream, and this one is a much darker blue. And we're going to use this one on the bottom cloud. So you see how it's kind of real thick and dark. You can actually, because these have the little separators, you can take it and move it around like this if you'd like to. You can water it down a little bit with blending solution if you would like to, or rubbing alcohol. I'll put a little bit of blending solution in here. So we're just going to put a little drop of blending solution throughout this. And that will actually lighten your color a little bit. It waters it down just a little so you can move it around a little bit more. The only thing is just be careful. Just don't get it in the stars or all over your hands. Really easy to do. And again, you can just take your tip and kind of use that to help move some of this around. As you move your tip, you'll have a little bit of ink come out instead of like big drops of it. But this is all you do, and your kids can totally do this. It's super fun. These are great with like watercolor paints too, but like I thought the alcohol inks were really fun, and it's something I had on hand. I don't have watercolor paints on hand. So now that we've done those, let's find a color for our stars. Let's do butterscotch for the stars because I don't know. I have no idea what color is going to come out. So we will throw some butterscotch in this big star. I don't really love it, so we'll leave him the way he is for now. And we'll see what we think of sandal. And again, there's really no wrong way. If you screw it up, you can totally just wipe it out. And all I'm doing is just adding a little bit, like just a drop. These stars are pretty small, so you just need a little drop. And that's all I'm doing. It's so easy and fun. You guys, you could have so much fun doing this. I'm personally having a blast. And I'm going to add some red. And you'll see that some of the colors are obviously much, much darker than the others. And see, I'll add like a little drip of red down here, and then I'm just going to kind of move it around a little bit. And just filling in all those spots. And I'm going to show you something else you can add to these just to make it more fun. Let's see, so we're going to do red, we'll do green. So this one is botanical. That one was crimson. So this one is botanical, which I always end up putting the caps on these just real tight. I would recommend making sure you do have the caps on these pretty tight. But this is such a fun thing that you can do. Doesn't take a lot of alcohol ink, so if you've got some random colors laying around, you can absolutely do this. Now, because I used the blues on my cloud, I'm going to go ahead and let's use this fun purpley color. This one is Wild Plum. I love this color. And like I said, you see, I just turned it upside down. I'm just gently, not even squeezing it, I just have it upside down and I'm just running it around through there. So now we can do either shell pink or we have salmon. I think we'll do shell pink. And this is just a fun thing that you guys can do, and it's so easy. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Now, I'm going to show you something else you can do. There is this mixative, and I need to shake it, but it is the Pearl Mixative, and it is so much fun. It adds this really cool shine to your colors. So I'm just going to drip it all over this one. Now, they do tend to kind of overtake your colors, but I'm kind of okay with that with this one because I want those clouds to be really like shiny. Let's make that bottom cloud super shiny. What the heck? So once you've done that, you can just set him to the side and let him dry. I'll show you guys what this guy looks like once it's all dry. But we've also got a couple other shapes that you guys can absolutely find. We've got a fish and a turtle. There's a pirate ship. I did a castle, even though I messed up the castle. I love how it came out. There's the castle. So I will let this dry, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once it's all done. Thank you so much for checking out today's Craft for the Curve challenge. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm always happy to answer those for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and up until April 8th, we will have a video every day. I hope you guys had such a fun time today, and have a wonderful day, and happy crafting.